Pasture-raised eggs contain all the building blocks of life and are some of the most nutritious foods you can eat. Consuming eggs daily can improve your cholesterol profile, lower the risk of heart disease, and provide bioavailable proteins for muscle, hormones, and enzymes. Let's explore the amazing health benefits of eating at least 3 eggs a day for breakfast and how to prepare them for the best effects. 1. Cleaning the liver. Pasture-raised eggs from hens that live outdoors are high in choline and lecithin. These nutrients help clean fat from your liver and support bile production, which is essential for breaking down fats and maintaining a healthy gallbladder, preventing gallstones. By consuming eggs, you support your liver's ability to detoxify and metabolize various substances effectively, enhancing overall liver function and health. 2. Preventing heart disease. Contrary to past beliefs, eggs protect your heart by increasing HDL cholesterol, which moves cholesterol out of the blood vessels and into the liver for breakdown. Eggs also convert LDL cholesterol into a larger, safer form that doesn't stick to artery walls. They are rich in vitamins E, D, A, K2, omega-3s, and taurine, which strengthen the heart muscle. Research has shown that regular egg consumption does not increase the risk of heart disease and may even lower the risk of stroke. 3. Improving attention. If you struggle with focus and clarity, replacing cereals, grains, and sugars with eggs can help. Eating 3 or 4 eggs for breakfast can stabilize blood sugar levels, providing healthy fats and amino acids. Eggs are also a top source of DHA, crucial for brain structure and function, which helps with attention disorders like ADD. The high-quality protein in eggs supports neurotransmitter production, essential for cognitive function and mental clarity. 4. Lubricating the eyes. Eggs are rich in retinol, active vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which help lubricate and protect your eyes. These nutrients improve eyesight and reduce the risk of eye diseases like cataracts and macular degeneration. Lutein and zeaxanthin are antioxidants that specifically accumulate in the retina, where they protect against oxidative damage and harmful blue light, enhancing overall eye health and visual performance. 5. Repairing nerves. For nerve pain caused by high blood sugar, eating at least 4 eggs a day is beneficial. Eggs contain B vitamins, DHA, EPA, and antioxidants that aid nerve tissue regeneration. Choline in eggs also helps produce acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that reduces pain and repairs nerve cells. Regular consumption of eggs supports the maintenance and repair of the nervous system, helping to alleviate symptoms of neuropathy and other nerve-related issues. 6. Enhancing muscle gains. Eggs provide all the necessary amino acids for muscle growth and repair, making them ideal for bodybuilders and athletes. For best results, lift weights and work out in the morning on an empty stomach, then eat eggs within 45 minutes to capitalize on the anabolic window for muscle growth. The high biological value of egg protein ensures efficient utilization by the body, promoting muscle synthesis and recovery. 7. Stimulating hair growth. High-quality protein and leucine in eggs stimulate hair growth and prevent thinning. Leucine, a branched-chain amino acid, helps produce collagen and absorb iron, which maintains proper blood flow to hair follicles. The vitamins and minerals in eggs, including biotin and zinc, also support healthy hair growth and strength, reducing the risk of hair loss and promoting thicker, more resilient hair. 8. Building smoother skin. Eggs contain phospholipids and omega-3s that stabilize cell membranes, keeping skin hydrated and youthful. The cholesterol in eggs helps produce steroid hormones, preventing acne and pimples. Regular consumption of eggs provides the essential nutrients needed for skin repair and regeneration, resulting in smoother, more radiant skin with fewer wrinkles and blemishes. 9. Overcoming anxiety. Eggs are rich in tryptophan and tyrosine, which boost serotonin and dopamine, known as happy hormones. They stabilize blood sugars and increase acetylcholine, making them one of the best foods for preventing and alleviating anxiety. By providing the building blocks for neurotransmitter production, eggs help regulate mood, reduce stress, and enhance overall mental well-being. 10. Preventing illnesses. Eggs contain antibodies and colostrum that boost the immune system, helping to prevent infections and diseases. Sphingomyelin in eggs has anti-cancer properties that can help fight cancer cells. Regular consumption of eggs strengthens the body's natural defenses, reducing the likelihood of common illnesses and promoting overall health and longevity. Bonus, reducing cravings. Eating at least 3 eggs for breakfast and avoiding carbohydrates can control blood sugar levels and reduce cravings. Organic pasture-raised eggs are packed with nutrition that increases fullness and reduces hunger by lowering ghrelin levels, the hunger hormone. This makes it easier to manage weight and maintain a healthy diet by reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy foods throughout the day. How to use eggs properly. Eggs can be scrambled, poached, boiled, fried, or baked. The healthiest way is to poach or fry them over easy, keeping the yolk runny and the white solid to preserve heat-sensitive antioxidants. Always eat the whole egg as the yolk contains more protein and is easier to absorb. Ensure your eggs are fresh and come from a local source like a farmer's market. Opt for organic pasture-raised eggs for the highest quality and avoid pasteurized eggs from batch hens. Tips for preparing eggs. 1. Scrambled eggs. Whisk eggs with a splash of milk or cream, season with salt and pepper, and cook gently over low heat, stirring continuously until they reach your desired consistency. 2. Poached eggs. Bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer, add a splash of vinegar, create a whirlpool, and gently slide in the eggs. 2. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the whites are set but the yolks remain runny. 3. Boiled eggs. Place eggs in a pot of cold water, bring to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for 9-12 minutes, depending on your preference for soft or hard-boiled eggs. 4. Fried eggs. Heat a non-stick pan with a little butter or oil, crack in the eggs, and cook until the whites are set, but the yolks remain runny. 4. Flip gently if you prefer over-easy eggs. Choosing the best eggs. Organic pasture-raised. These eggs come from hens that have access to open fields and pastures, resulting in higher nutrient density and better quality. Avoid conventional eggs. These often come from hens kept in confined spaces without access to natural light or a varied diet, resulting in lower nutritional value. Check labels. Ensure the eggs you buy are labeled as organic and pasture-raised for the best health benefits. Conclusion. Incorporating 3-4 eggs into your daily diet can have profound health benefits, from improving liver function and preventing heart disease to enhancing cognitive function and promoting muscle growth. Eggs are a versatile, nutrient-dense food that supports overall health and well-being. For more information on the top foods for eye health, check out my video on the top 10 foods for your eyes and vision. Thank you for watching, and I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.